Hey guys, it's the next morning. I did not get to film the chaos of this morning. I didn't get to film, unfortunately, making the sandwiches, cutting the fruit, doing all those things because it was just way too chaotic. We're also running extremely behind. We were supposed to be out of the house by 9. It is now 10. So he just requested some banana bread. So I'm going to film, see what he thinks of it.
Very good. Very tasty.
Really?
Yeah, it's really good.
And this is my butter croissant and my tea. We're in the city of Fredericksburg. It's so cute. This looks like the main street here.
Yes.
Well, it literally is called Main Street. Okay, so yeah, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, this looks like a little park area. Oh my gosh, they still got their Christmas tree up. Oh, look how cute that building is. Trying to paint in the car. This is a sketch I just did of Marfa. This is my little water cup, and then my paintbrushes and paint. So let's see if I can pull this off. So what do you think of the sandwich?
It was delicious.
Delicious?
It was the best thing ever.
Very happy. Did not stop for fast food yet. We're gonna beat you, fast food. That is a train right there. I don't think the camera is getting the vibe, but that is so cool amongst the mountains. 30 minutes till we reach Marfa. We'll be there an hour from sunset. Here we are, and literally the coolest thing about it is it's in the middle of nowhere. Just wanted to show you the backdrop here. How crazy is that? What do you think of this place?
It's an interesting location. All the surroundings is really cool.
Now we're going to New Mexico, Las Cruces in, is that how you pronounce it? We're going to our hotel now, which is going to be near White Sands. Hey everyone, so we just got to the hotel in New Mexico. I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick tour. Just a pretty standard Hilton room, I would say. It's nice to finally be in a room after how many hours of driving?
666 miles. I'm not driving hours.
668 miles. I have to say Zohaib drove the whole way, so I didn't have to drive, and I took a little bit of a nap in the car. But very thankful. Marfa was beautiful. It was better than what I could have imagined it to be. I think it's so nice. I love West Texas. I was not bored of the drive. I actually thought it was beautiful. You probably saw the clips earlier. But anyway, that's it for today, day one. Day two, tomorrow we're gonna be going to White Sands. And yeah, so I will see you for day two tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everyone. So we just made it out of our hotel in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And now we're going to White Sands National Monument, which is about 45-ish minutes away from this hotel. Just so you know, there is an area you can stay, which I'll write down here, that is closer to White Sands, which is like a 15-minute drive. But Zohaib wanted to stay in a bigger city, so that's why we stayed here. Also, my skin is really white right now because I'm wearing sunscreen. I'm using the Drunken Elephant sunscreen. I'll link it here, SPF 30. And it does give a white cast, so don't love that about it. We're waiting for our Whataburger order. Zohaib did not realize that Whataburger exists outside of Texas. Oh my gosh, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. It's not coming across on camera. It's like truly not coming across. There's the sign. National Monument. We're stopping at the visitor center to get a sticker. Trying to get a sticker now. You can still see the moon. It's right there. That is so neat. Wow. It's not translating on camera that this is super unique in my opinion, because there's sand here, but there's no ocean, so you don't get that mushy like sand areas. And because it's not an ocean, there's no like ocean animals coming out of nowhere. It's just unique in that it is literal sand in between mountains. Like, where else can you say this happens?
Nowhere. And that's what makes this place unique.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Look at this. It is so incredible. We're officially driving on sand now. There was a sign that came up. Oh my gosh. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so we're the only ones parked in this section here. Let me go get the sled. Okay, this is the sled.
That'll be in the desert.
Lizards and mice. Okay, great.
Hopefully they only go after the bad people, I see.
Okay, guys, let's see. Woo! Okay, this is a challenge. Sorry if I'm gonna fall.
Let go of the camera. It's your only way. I made it. Oh, should we go to that one right there? Yeah. We can walk.
He's putting the wax on the sled.
It's not working.
That's how Zohaib is marking for us to remember where we parked. The Z. I wanted to show you guys a final look before we leave. Sorry, I'm out of breath through sledding and going up and down these dunes, hills, but it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Look at how magnificent. For some reason that looks so cool in the sky right now. We're about to leave. Love this place. Oh man, that's sad. Oh, I could be here all day. Love this place?
Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. Very soothing and tranquil.
Soothing and tranquil, that's a good one.
That's a good one. Get your husband.
Bye bye, White Sands. I just love these natural lines of the sand. Obviously from like the wind.
See you later, suckers.
Bye, White Sands. You were so good to us. What a beautiful day. Beautiful day to be here. New sticker on the Yeti. White Sands National Park. Now that we're done with White Sands, our next stop is Tucson, Arizona. We're just gonna go straight to the hotel and plan to go to the next national park tomorrow morning. I will see you guys in Arizona. This road trip snack, jalapeno cashews, and I have more of my chicken sandwiches. We're at our hotel in Tucson, Arizona. This is how it looks. Pretty nice. I actually really like the view here. Because it's of the pool, which is really cute. Hey everyone, so we actually ended up just having pizza for dinner and we're gonna officially call it a night. Tomorrow is the national park I can't pronounce. I'll put it down here. And then we're gonna be driving to Las Vegas, Nevada after that. So that should be exciting. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I will be seeing you tomorrow in Arizona and Nevada. Bye guys.